What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy BJ. Man, I'm finna show y'all how to, mod your tail lights, man. As you can see, I already got one side done. But I'm gonna kind of give y'all like an on and off tutorial on how to do it. Get any kind of window cleaner if you can, though. It only takes just a couple sprays, not too much. Get you a nice little clean rag and just, rub it. Make sure it's clean. Give it about a few seconds to dry, and then you start applying your pieces. This is where I shopped at to get them. REVION. Check them out, man. They're good people. Okay, I'm on a one-man army out here, but when you get ready to do it, start at the very end and slowly press on it to get the bubbles out. And if you can't do it with one hand, they got this little deal that you can use to press on. As you can see, I had to cut out, my camera went out on me, but what I did, switch hands. What I did, I held it with one hand and I slowly started pressing it in. I was going at an angle and I was able to just ride it out, and then bam, I was able to get it. And I had a little extra over, so I just folded it in the inside. And as you can see, it's stuck. And boy, I tell you, she looked good. Let me do this last little piece and I will get back with y'all. As you can see, I lined it up. And basically, I need two hands. I'm gonna see, can I do it with one? But I just went at an angle. And I'm just slowly pushing it. And you can see how the bubbles are starting to get pushed out. Just keep pushing. Boom, look at that. Oh my gosh. Like, comment, and subscribe. Hope y'all love it.